In American kitchens, the words sweet potatoes and yams are often used interchangeably, but historically they are not the same. True yams are starchy tubers native to Africa and parts of Asia, while sweet potatoes are New World crops indigenous to the Americas. When enslaved Africans encountered sweet potatoes in the South, they recognized similarities to African yams they already knew how to cultivate, cook, and preserve. Over time, the name yam became a cultural carryover, rooted more in memory and experience than botanical accuracy. For enslaved Africans, sweet potatoes were a lifeline. They were inexpensive, nutrient-dense, easy to grow, and versatile. They could be roasted in ashes, boiled, mashed, or dried for storage. Sweet potatoes provided energy when rations were scarce and could be prepared in both savory and sweet forms. Their natural sweetness made them especially valuable when sugar was limited or unavailable. Sweet potato pie, using mashed sweet potatoes, eggs, milk, and spices, became a staple dessert, especially in African American households where pumpkin pie was less accessible or less culturally resonant. Today, sweet potato pie remains deeply symbolic. It is often passed down through generations, with recipes guarded closely. Symbolized abundance not because it was expensive, but because it required time, care, and intention. Baking a pie meant having enough stability to think beyond the next meal. Candied yams was made by slow cooking them with molasses, sorghum syrup, or later sugar and spices. The transformation of a humble root into a sweet dish reflects a broader pattern in African American foodways, elevating everyday ingredients to mark special moments. Candied yams became associated with holidays not because they were extravagant, but because they signaled care and community. During the Jim Crow era, when economic and social restrictions persisted, candied yams remained a way to create celebration within limited means. Out of this ingenuity came dishes that would later define soul food. These dishes weren't just about taste, they were about survival, adaptation, and continuity. Sweet potatoes bridged Africa and America, slavery and freedom, scarcity and celebration. From plantation gardens to modern holiday tables, they tell a story of resourcefulness, cultural memory, and resilience passed down through generations. This isn't just food, it's history rooted deep in the soil. Pushpin, come back tomorrow for the next dish in Soul Food Stories as we continue our 28-day journey through Black food history.